the knowledge that we have attained.
Akaulo na eko parabalwana no adao na itutoro. Neja Angicak Itaaboi natar Uganda. Aboy kinito ne president Sorote City West James Chemtai Small ngesi abalebe Ocamusana itoltole jana kinelo apugan.
In the book of Proverbs chapter number 9 verse 10 says, the fear of the Lord God is the beginning of knowledge, wisdom and understanding. I call upon you people, internal auditors of Uganda, to do your work in the fear of the Lord God, which is the beginning of knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. Every day we conduct our audits. Before you release the report, you go and meet somebody. My brother, I have got this, I have discovered this, and unless you do this, I will make sure I don't cover the report. I want to call upon us to desist from corruption, to desist from those bribes, to desist from prerequisites, so that we can be able to engage in building Uganda as a team.
Apollo Kinito Local Government Internal Auditors Association of Uganda, CPA Justus Musimenta ngesi abalebe, elosete kesi somanar keda pugan kanwa itopolo Uganda.
We have received more knowledge from the facilitators. We had different topics, and we are sure that actually members now, they will be able to perform their work efficiently and effectively. And as our theme was to elevate the internal audit relevancy, they will be more relevant, curb down the coming up corruption in government, so that the local governments are able to achieve the Vision 2040, so that we have a transformed society. So we just wish them that continue, do their work well, read more of these regulations, the knowledge that has been acquired, so that they are able to use it in their day-to-day work.
Apollo Kiniton Public Procurement and Disposal Assets Authority, Kokide Nako Uganda, Arthur Cliff Birunji, ngesi abalebe, adautu kesi aipena Angicak Itaaboi kedanu tupitono, ijana kineta teker.
I'm glad this afternoon to have participated in facilitating a workshop organized by the Local Government Internal Auditors Association in a bid to improve on their effectiveness and operations within the various local governments. I'm glad to have presented a paper on procurement red flags, what the internal auditors need to know, and also on the recent PPDA revised regulations of 2023 and the guidelines of 2024. As many of us may have known, these regulations became effective on the 5th of February 2024. And therefore, this engagement has been very timely and very prudent to engage the various internal auditors of local governments who have convened here from Central, Western, Northern, Eastern, and the southern part of this country to share in knowledge and in experience, and more so in how best they need to appreciate the new regulations and the guidelines, since they will be the ears and the eyes on the ground to monitor and enforce compliance.
Kanuka TV East, Abraham Elapu, Koibuga Soroti.